Assalamu alaikum, it's your boy South Alfred from South Sudanese Music. South Sudanese Music, Bijibuletakum hit after hit, banger after banger. Today we are going to listen to one and only Juna the star with her new single, Nobody. Is out now, guys. Without wasting your time, guys, let's listen to the sound.
Baby, and I'm into nobody.
Woo! What?
And then you know you're my property. Anytime when you call me, wow, boy, I'll be right there. Anytime when you need me, I'll be right there. Kalam hamba, yokutuana jalinta. Kalam muhaba, yokutuana ibu inta. Kalam hamba, yokutuana jalinta. Kalam muhaba, yokutuana ibu inta. You and me, we can be together. Me and you, we can be together forever. My baby wifey.
You're the star, mashallah, wallahi. This video, I'm out of video that I'm shooting in Sudan or the way like I like the quality. It's very nice. Jamaa, for your information, this song is out on YouTube, guys. Video that you did, Lisa. Zeta kumgaino. You did. Run and go and watch on YouTube, guys. And the song is trending on TikTok, guys. Lena Salma use sound. Sound they are the ini. Use the sound, guys. I'm going to tag her on this video so that you can follow her. Jamaa kana support South Sudanese music. Jamaa data tena. Kambiga sukero wala kebir. Let's support our own. Okay, jamaa. Dana kunta makom South Alfred from South Sudanese Music. Follow for more.